this chapter.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So children, everyone muted. I'm not wasting much time. So now we will go to the next session. So vitamin E. Okay, vitamin E is very good for inflammatory diseases. Inflammatory means swelling, cancer, like that things. Okay, so shall we go to vitamin
you said there is some more points in vitamin K.
Vitamin K is over. Now we are moving to vitamin E.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, vitamin K we wrote helps
Ma'am,
in giving calcium
Vitamin
to the
E
bone.
Ma'am, I have a
is
doubt.
very good in all the cosmetic products. All the cosmetic products such as, I meant to say, your body lotions, Fair and Lovely, Nivea, Pond's. How many cosmetics we are using? How many costumes we are applying on the face? Some of your, maybe the celebrities, even your mothers may do the facial very often. Then we will apply face mask on, like a facial thing, then cleaning, rubbing scheme, and so many products are available in the market now, which is giving you to the to give you a glow on your face, or to become fair. And they will say it won't become fair. If you want to be fair, you should have the vitamin rich food very often. Reduce intake of fried items. If you reduce the intake of fried items, your skin become glow and soft, and it look very beautiful. So in your market, there are so many, even the bathing soap, Lux, Dove. They will say if you have, you wash your body with the Lux, then you will become like a heroine in the Bollywood movies. Okay. So many commercial art. Okay. Commercial arts are like that. So they will just cheat on you. But still, in all these cosmetics, we use some amount of vitamin E. That means some amount of vitamin E maybe. They may take the juice of some of this flowers, cosmetic things. So especially all the soap contains some kind of vegetable oils. All the bathing soap contain some kind of vegetable oil, because vitamin E is rich in oil. Okay, vitamin E is rich in oil. So mainly, which are the oils in vitamin
Sunflower
E?
oil, ma'am.
Olive oil, coconut oil,
Sunflower oil,
Olive oil, coconut oil,
so mainly sources of vitamin E is mainly, then we have mustard oil, and all these are having a plenty of vitamin E present.
oil.
So that is why
ma'am, also sunflower oil is used to cook, right?
yes, Kerala is very often they used to use the coconut oil. Coconut oil they will use for frying, putting on the face.
Yes, ma'am. In my house, it is coconut.
Yes, ma'am.
My house sunflower oil only.
Yeah, even sunflower oil also uses, but it won't use directly. It may be mixed with
Mainly we
something.
use
Yes, ma'am.
coconut oil.
Mayonnaise and all.
Olive oil
Mayonnaise.
is very good. Olive oil is
Yes,
very good.
ma'am. I have olive oil. I
Yes, here also
used
it
to
is, ma'am.
take oil, spread in my body the olive oil.
Yes. So olive
Ma'am,
oil,
I
and the
also.
newborn babies, we usually nearly 3 months,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
newborn babies only apply olive oil on their body, so that their body should be rich in vitamin this thing. Clear? Another thing, it is also good to prevent heart diseases. Vitamin E also good to prevent heart diseases, like the coronary heart diseases.
Yes, ma'am.
Coronary means the diseases which is happening to the blood vessels of your heart. Okay. So if you look at your hand, you can see the two major blood vessels in your hand and all. Okay. So actually, this is the two major blood vessels which is connected to our heart. And there are small blood vessels which is going to different parts of our body. But the major two vessels you will able to see in your fist. If you hold it the fist, you can see two vessels. One is in green color, another one in little reddish color. So one is a pure blood, other one takes the bad blood after breathe out. When you breathe in, our blood will get purified.
Yes,
when you breathe out with the carbon dioxide, our bad blood, which is not good for the health, will be
carbon dioxide is
in the form of carbon dioxide we can expel it.
Ma'am, but carbon dioxide is good for plants and all.
Yes,
Excuse
that
me,
is
ma'am.
why. That's why we need to grow the carbon dioxide plants in our
Excuse me,
house.
ma'am.
The reason is that carbon dioxide, whatever we breathe out, carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the plants.
Excuse me, ma'am. There is someone in the
Correct?
waiting room.
Yes.
Ah. So to cook the
Excuse
food.
me, ma'am. Can you move the board downwards?
1 minute.
I can't see
Excuse
anything.
me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you
I can't see the board, ma'am.
Maybe you will have network issues, my dear. I'll stop it.
We rejoin, we will get it. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, children. So the first important point for our vitamin E, it is good for skin care. So we mainly uses it is in skin care products.
Ma'am, skin-
Another one, anti-aging benefits. Anti-aging benefits means if you apply the coconut oil in your body may not have wrinkled very fast. Even you are after 50 years also, your body, your face and all may not wrinkle fast. Okay. So that is what anti-aging means you are becoming old. Anti-aging means you are preventing that anti-aging. So after 50 also, your body may not wrinkle. You know, in your skin, you will have a lot of wrinkles.
Wrinkle means curving, yeah, ma'am.
Curves. Yeah. If you look at your,
mean in Malayalam, chullu, right?
yes. Sometimes if you look
yes.
at your mother and father, you feel like your mother is like becoming a little older than father. Do you feel like that? Do
Ma'am,
you feel like that?
grandfather also.
The reason is that mothers full time in the kitchen, how much work they do. So naturally, with all the dust and the heat which is coming on their body, sometimes they will become much older faster than the husband.
Mother.
That is why the mothers usually spend much time in spa and doing facial and doing some kind of things because of that presence of dust and pollutant particle. When you cook, when you cook, as the content
Yes,
is
ma'am.
boiling, carbon dioxide is formed.
Yes,
So your
that
mother
one.
must be absorbing, her face must be absorbing all that heat, radiations and carbon dioxide. So that is why she get wrinkles very faster than
Ma'am,
the
when I stay in
fathers.
the kitchen and all, I be sweating.
So that's why some of the mothers are very good. They say, no, I can't cook it. My beauty will go like that and all. They will order
Ma'am,
the
so
junk food. When they order the junk food, they will become sick. Okay.
Ma'am,
Some
but-
mothers are like that. Like all the traditional mothers, they work very hard. But now
Ma'am,
new
in
generation
Malayalam-
mothers may not work
Yes,
much
ma'am,
at
yes.
at
Ma'am,
so.
excuse me, ma'am.
Huh? Yes.
Ma'am, when we
They
get
will go
sick
to
and
job
when
also.
we will be sick, we will take one thing, right? Like Avi in Malayalam.
Steaming.
Steaming. That is another thing. Steaming is thing to come out that phlegm from your
Ma'am, but
body.
carbon dioxide will go.
No, that is good. That is what, because all this pollutants is making you sick. Especially you are getting cold. How? By having lot of pollutants. While you breathe in, some of the polluted are entering in your body, and some of the dust may enter. Some flowers, some pollens and all allergic for some of the students. Clear? Some of the students
Yes,
or some of the kids. Some powder and all allergic. Okay.
Ma'am, dust allergy.
Yeah. So chalk
Ma'am, I
powder.
have,
Ma'am, my
Yeah.
sister is
Chalk
having
powder
allergy.
is very allergic thing like that. Okay. So this kind of things will cause you getting the pollutants in your body. Then naturally you will get sick. That time, in order to remove them, we used to have a steam.
Steam, yes,
You
ma'am.
or inhale. You will do inhalation by putting some
Inhalation.
medicine on it. What actually we are doing it by doing that.
Ma'am, one type of leaf only, right?
Within your body is coming
Ma'am, this
out through your
corona.
nose. Yeah.
Corona, it is very good for preventing corona.
Yes, because you're
Some
cold.
people were escaped from
When
that.
you become cold. When you get cold, when you get cold, is a common thing for everyone. Cold.
Yes.
You know, the lot of mucus is coming out from the nose.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you inhale it, what is happening in your body? These all pollutants are coming out through that mucus. Okay. And that is why that when you use your kerchief whenever you have cold, the reason is that a lot of germs, bacteria, all the pollutants are coming out when you steam it. Clear? So that's the reason. So there's advantage for it. But when mother cook, it is not steaming. You see, when you make a curry, what are the things mother is putting over there? Food, onion, tomato, spices.
Ma'am, when we
and
go
all
to the
these things.
kitchen, we can have some coffee
Yes,
and
ma'am.
all
So,
like that.
chili and all, like we will
Chili,
put
red
Putting
meat.
so many chemicals. When you
Yes.
get a chili powder, artificially
Then
you
it
get
will
the
be
chili
coming,
powder
yes.
from the market. It is also has chemical. That is different. Steaming is different. Steaming you do only the pure water you will have the steam. Correct? You don't have
Yes,
the curry
ma'am.
gravy as the steam.
We will be hot
Yes.
boiling water.
And
Yes.
sometimes we
Excuse
will
me,
put
ma'am.
ginger, tulasi leaf in the water and you
That
start
also-
steaming. That is good. And
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
also, ma'am,
Excuse
also
me, ma'am.
turmeric water is very good.
yes. Okay, fine.
preventing
Okay,
all
children.
Ma'am,
So shall
when
we
we
now go back?
steam, we will add vitamin E tablets on oil inside.
Okay. Another reason is that support immune function. Support immune function, as we said that it is help us to prevent the diseases, corona diseases like that. Prevent inflammation. Inflammation means cancerous tumors and all that things. Sometimes our stomach, we will have some kind of urinary infection. Then
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
have heart, there will be some heart problems. So all this inflammation. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is something which is happening to our heart. There's an inflammation
Yes,
is taking
ma'am.
place on your heart. That is
Yes, ma'am.
pneumonia. So all these are prevented by having a vitamin E and promoting eye health. Very good. Very important for our eye.
Yes, ma'am.
Lower the risk of cancer. Lower the risk of cancer. Okay, dear. So you can,
Yes,
since
ma'am.
we don't have much time, you can click this photo. I'm not
Ma'am, I
giving you note.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I am not giving you note. I am not giving you note for vitamin E. This is not in your textbook. This is not in your textbook. In textbook, it is only mentioned vitamin E. So this is I have taken from other sources.
Ma'am, 1
So
minute.
you should know it. This. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote that full.
Those who wrote, it's okay. Mainly you can underline all this. What are the things I underline? You can also underline.
Then after class, can we write it?
Okay, time will go, dear. Can you take the screenshot of it?
Ma'am.
Or some doesn't know, some don't know how to take screenshot. Those who taken, just send it in the WhatsApp group. Clear? Send in the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, only admins can.
PRTSC. Then you can get this.
Windows plus PRTC for Windows.
Yes, but-
Okay.
But for me, it is not available. So I will take from Xbox.
Okay, fine, children. So we have completed vitamin E, and vitamin K also over. And we have now vitamin B. Did we discuss about vitamin B?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Vitamin
No,
B
ma'am.
complex. We don't have much for vitamin B. Vitamin B is essential for all type of entire thing, because vitamin B consists of so many things. Correct?
Complex.
Ma'am,
B
B complex.
Yes, B complex. 1 minute.
Yes,
Let me
ma'am.
have something to show that. No, I think it's gone. 1 minute.
Ma'am, this bread is good. Bread.
Bread, too much bread is not good. Okay. They put
Yes,
some
ma'am.
kind of things
Ma'am,
to come
brown
up.
bread is very good,
Maida.
right?
You can
Maida
have it.
is-
Maida. Maida is very bad actually.
Ma'am,
So
brown
some will-
bread is very good, right?
Brown bread is good. Other
Yes.
white bread, they will put Maida over there. So actually, it is supposed to be made out
Ma'am,
of wheat.
Ma'am, also
bread
we
is
can
good,
making
ma'am.
our home. That's good.
We can make the bread out of home by using the wheat powder alone. But
Yes,
in
ma'am.
your other outside bread, what you are buying, they will
Maida
write
is
everything
not that
wheat
much
and all,
good.
but it is not wheat fully. They will add some of the Maida over there.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Maida is not
Okay.
that
Ma'am, in
children.
fat soluble vitamins, vitamin E is coming under that.
Yes.
Okay,
Vitamin E and
much.
vitamin
All
K.
fat.
All of you now, vitamin B complex. Please write this. You write because we don't have much in regarding vitamin B complex in your textbook.
Ma'am, sometimes we will eat fried things, right? Like
Yes.
mixture. That is also not good because in sunflower oil, like
Yes.
very,
Sunflower
not
oil is good for cooking other things, but if you fry, if you fry coconut or sunflower, any vegetable oil, it is going to give you a cancerous problem. We can have it because we can have it, but there are some of the students, some of the people, they will continuously have the only fried items. That is bad, especially alfam.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are very fond of alfam, grilled chicken,
ma'am.
and then shawarma. All these
KFC.
are directly.
Ma'am, I am like that. I won't cook and eat. I'll fry and eat.
Directly roasting things. You know, when you roast it directly from the fire, you are actually, it is absorbing carbon dioxide. That's why it is like burning tincture is coming out.
Yes, ma'am. It is the.
I'm telling that we cannot fully stop it. Everything what you eat.
Want stomachache 3 times.
You can have it once in a month or once in a week or something. But don't have it every day, fried items, snacks.
And my mother will make in the home KFC and all.
Okay, children. So you can write now. Everyone now stop it now.
Ma'am, I got
Too much talking and the class will not go. I know everyone is eating nicely. That we know. Now you control. Okay. Okay, fine. So let us now go to the slide over there. So you write. So B complex. Mainly B complex. You can write it. B1, B2. We have B5, B6, B7. There is a B9. It is not in that. There is a B9. Then B12. And it is also known as B3. Actually, this B3 is our PP. You told me what is PP. PP actually B3. It is another name. And this B3 also known as another name known as niacin. Is the name of PP.
Ma'am,
Niacin.
this first one.
Excuse me, ma'am. After B2, what is that?
B1, B2, B1, B2,
B7,
B5,
B2,
B5,
Okay, ma'am.
B6, B7, B9, B12, then last B3, and B3 is the one our PP.
Ma'am, we will tell B12 or B12.
B12 also, not all, B12.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of that?
NIACIN is the other name of PP, niacin. NICIN, niacin. See, children, all these vitamins have one name. So, thiamine, riboflavin, nicotine, like that, so many names are there that now I am not teaching you now.
Ma'am, B3 is
I am
also known
teaching
as
you
PP.
B3, PP, both are same, niacin. Another name of B3 is niacin.
Niacin.
So B3 is PP, and another name of B3 is also known as niacin. It's a botanical name. And PP also known as pellagra prevention. Pellagra is a sickness. So this B complex, this B3 is very important to prevent the pellagra and also cancer and other things. That's why. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, which
B3
vitamin will prevent corona?
not corona. It is good
Ma'am,
virus.
what is BT, ma'am? Ma'am, what is BT?
You see this PP. This PP also
PP
B3.
is
And this is also known as niacin.
B3 aka niacin.
BP also known as B3, and B3 is another name niacin. You will get a niacin tablet. Of course, it is good for controlling cholesterol and lack of niacin. Okay. Can I write the uses of B complex now?
Okay, ma'am.
So prevent inflammation. It prevents
Ma'am.
inflammation. Second point, prevents pellagra is another sickness.
Ma'am, in vitamin E also prevent inflammation.
Yes, yes. That is why there are
Yes.
so many vitamins they have. They are useful for other things. Next,
what is the second, ma'am? Prevents.
it is used as P-E-L-L, pellagra. Used as antioxidant. Antioxidant means it will protect you from getting fever and sickness and all other things. So it is used as antioxidants. It used as antioxidants. Next, helps in lowering cholesterol. Helps in lowering cholesterol. Cholesterol, when you have so many fried items, okay, there's a
Ma'am, egg
negative
is
content in your blood. Negative content in your blood that will
Yes, ma'am.
increase. So that
Ma'am,
is known as
egg is
cholesterol.
so many egg we will eat, we will get cholesterol.
Yeah,
like
yes.
that which is still.
That means if you have plenty of fat in your body, so naturally you will get chances of cholesterol. So those people get cholesterol, they should not eat fried items once you get cholesterol. What will happen on your blood vessels or all your what you call body vessels and your intestine,
Yes,
large
it
intestine,
increases.
wherever the food goes, there this fat will accumulate. Then naturally you cannot breathe in, you cannot have a proper digestion. You have a chances of kidney failure, heart attack, cancer. All this thing will come if you have more cholesterol in your body, because it will prevent entire body system. Because everywhere there is a fat. Fat means oil content is more in your body.
So we
This
should
you will get. This you will get because if you are having lot of meat items, red meat and white meat, I think Anandesh has explained, red meat and white meat.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, not Adil.
Adil. Red
Adil,
meat
Adil.
means beef. Beef is a red meat. Okay, that's not
Beef
good.
is not that much
White
good.
meat is chicken. Okay, white
Yes,
meat.
ma'am. I
So
don't
red
like
meat
beef
means
that.
buffalo, all these are red meat. White meat is chicken. Even I think Muslims may not have, but other religions they will have pork also. So pork also red meat.
Ma'am,
Okay.
pork is not that
Ma'am,
much good.
It,
so white meat is only
it is
chicken.
also, it has got
Something
lot
had
of, you
come
know,
with
the
pork.
those who having, maybe some of you may have eaten the pork.
Yes,
So
ma'am,
the
I
pork
have.
is the thick,
Yes,
thick,
ma'am, I have.
Yes, ma'am.
full of
Yes, ma'am.
fat.
Ma'am, I have.
Christians have it.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Shankar, I have eaten that much small one thing. That
Ma'am,
when we click
I
like
have.
rubber.
Ma'am.
Rubber.
Oh, clear. Okay.
Yes.
Fine, children.
Ma'am, so
So
white
did
chicken
you
is.
complete it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 3 times stomach pain.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, so by this we completed
Ma'am.
the vitamins. All the vitamins we have
Ma'am.
learned and all the uses
Ma'am.
you have learned. Abna, what's the problem? Every time ma'am you are calling. What's the matter with you?
Ma'am, not
Huh?
Amna, ma'am.
Then who else is calling you?
Ambrose.
Ambrose. Sorry, Amna.
No, it's not Amna.
Yes,
Did she
not
come? Because
Amna.
in between she is having some network issue. Amna, where are you? Are you here?
Ma'am, I am there here.
Not Amna. Anam.
Ambrose.
Anam?
Ambrose. only, ma'am.
Ambrose.
Ambrose.
Ma'am, I got 3
She
times
is in
stomach.
6B. She is in 6B.
He
I got
got
confused.
3 times stomach. That
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am, Amna.
Ambrose, oh, your seminar. I forgot about Ambrose. That's what you wanted to say. Huh?
Ma'am.
Then what you want to say?
Ma'am.
Your
Ma'am,
seminar
I
is
got-
so pending. You are not
Ma'am,
ready
if
for that. Correct, I think. Yes. Yeah.
I also got it.
yes, ma'am. This restaurant.
Sometimes you go to restaurant, they will keep the old chicken for you. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
I got it.
Shawarma is
Yeah.
the best example for that.
So
In
that is
Kerala
why.
and all,
That's fine.
shawarma
Yeah.
will be used. One day used, shawarma will next day use. So
Yeah,
it will be very
shawarma.
bad.
Alfam.
It's not that much.
Alfam also like that. All that thing they can
Ma'am,
keep it for
parota.
many days.
Porota.
Parota.
I have eaten and I have eaten.
Ambrose did the
Porota,
seminar,
when I
ma'am.
eat it.
Ambrose has seminar. I did not forget that.
Ma'am, she
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of
Excuse me, ma'am.
pellagra?
Okay, dear children. Yes.
Ma'am,
What
what
else?
is the meaning of pellagra?
Pellagra is the name of disease, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Some inflammatory diseases. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I was calling you to show this.
Show me, Vishnu.
Not Vishnu.
Ma'am, it's Rosine.
Okay, resin. Okay, resin. Because some of when I look at some of their thing is highlighted, then I thought that person is speaking. Okay, fine. Resin. Yeah, you are showing me. What are you showing me? What is that?
And the oil.
Which oil? Olive oil?
No, ma'am, almond oil.
Almond oil is also very good for vitamin E. It's costly. Olive oil and almond oil very costly.
Yes, ma'am. In
Agne,
Amazon.
yes, you raise the hand. Tell me what you want to tell me.
I am using oil to cook.
Ma'am,
I have it also very good. Okay. Fine. Let me.
Ma'am, I also have one yellow tablet.
Pudin
Golden.
Hara what? Agnay, what is this tablet for?
vitamin E.
Vitamin E. Yes, vitamin E. Why are you having that? For what you are having?
For hair, like this.
For?
Ma'am, for applying in hair.
Okay, fine. For applying in the hair. Vitamin E also, I told you, vitamin E is good for
Ma'am,
cosmetics.
also this tablet.
Yes. Yes. What is
I
that,
will use-
Angelina? Which tablet is
Ma'am,
this?
not Angelina, ma'am.
Ma'am,
this
it
one,
is
this
vitamin
tablet.
C.
Yeah, vitamin
Ma'am,
C.
this also, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have to have it in one day, one tablet.
Because
Ma'am,
you
this
are lack
also.
vitamin C. That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Doctor told you. Who else?
Ma'am, this.
Yeah. Sri
Sri
Shankar,
Shankar.
what tablet you are having? It is iron tablet, my dear. Mineral. Is that
Yes,
so?
ma'am. NutriCharge Veg Omega. That one.
Omega. That is a mineral. Okay. Iron tablet.
Ma'am, mineral tablet. All day one we will eat with water.
Okay.